Will legal immigration slow down in 2025? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. During the Republican National Convention, we all saw all those happy people waving their flags saying mass deportations now, that they were really excited about the prospect of Donald Trump coming in and trying to deport millions and millions of people back to their home countries. But they always like to say to themselves, well, we're against illegal immigration, but Trump doesn't care about legal immigration. And that is utter hogwash. Donald Trump, Stephen Miller, Steve Bannon, all the people that Trump's going to put in charge of the Department of Homeland Security, Thomas Homan, Ken Cuccinelli, all these guys want to slow down legal immigration to the United States. And we've been making video after video for the last couple of weeks explaining how they're going to slow down legal immigration. But basically what Project 2025 is calling upon them to do is to add in extra scrutiny at every level and to make it much, much harder to get a visa to come to the United States, to get a green card once you're in the United States, to obtain a work authorization. They are going to, under the guise of extra security, slow everything down. They're going to put in fraud units in every office. They're going to make the fraud unit have the final say on whether anybody gets immigration benefits. They're going to require an interview for every green card benefit. They're going to gut the State Department and therefore make it even harder for people who are overseas to get a visa to come study or to come live or to come live with their spouse in the United States. Already, right now, even before Trump comes into office, do you know how long it takes to get a spouse visa petition processed at the embassy in Nairobi, Kenya? Over 2 years. Over 2 years. So Donald Trump doesn't have to do much to slow things down. Now, of course, we've been super critical of Joe Biden and Antony Blinken and the State Department's blatant refusal to follow the law and to adjudicate these cases more quickly. But with all the stuff that Stephen Miller has planned for the Department of Homeland Security and USCIS in particular, they are going to slow down legal immigration to the United States. They want an American first philosophy. They want America to be like it was in the 1950s, lily white and upper class. They're going to declare war on poor immigrants, immigrants who don't necessarily have the financial means to support themselves immediately upon arrival. They're going to do everything they can to make legal immigration distasteful, frustrating, angering, and to make it much, much harder to get simple immigration benefits. The Biden team has done some things to extend work authorizations and some other things to make it a little bit more palatable for immigrants to be in the United States. That's not what the Trump team's after. That's not what the majority of Americans voted for. So this is one of those examples of elections have consequences, and the people voted for Donald Trump. They want this. People want this, but I don't think they understand the long-term effects it's going to have on our economy, on the workforce, and on the ability of America to thrive. So we'll see if people have buyer's remorse. But at the end of the day, you know damn well that the Trump team is going to try to slow down all kinds of immigration, not just at the border, not just mass deportations, but also legal immigration in the United States. They don't want spouses of H-1B holders to work. They want to make it so that it's very long and arduous for an employer to hire an immigrant as their employee. So you can just see across the board in 2025, all the processing times are going to get slower. USCIS will probably stop even posting their processing times. That's how bad it's going to be. If you're getting ready to go through the immigration process and you want some kick-ass lawyers to represent you, give us a call at 314-961-8200 or email us info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. We also have lots of free resources for you. We have our Immigrant Home Facebook group. There's thousands of immigrants going through the immigration process in there. You can talk to all of them and ask questions, post in that Facebook group. We love the conversation that goes on there. We also have our YouTube channel. Whenever we post new videos, if you subscribe, you'll get alerted. We do 3 or 4 new videos a week. Plus, we do a live show 2 or 3 times a week, and that's me going through an hour of phone calls, trying to answer as many immigration law related questions as I can, keep you updated. And that's how you can find us. That's how we can work together. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.